When it comes to running a business, no mistake is as costly as providing poor customer service, because every customer you lose potentially equals a lifetime of business lost. That's why investing your time to understand each customer's needs and providing them with the best options goes a long way in building your operations' success. EMDECS makes it easier for you to provide top-quality customer service at every level, from providing repair estimates and onboarding customers to working on repair orders and providing invoices. EMDECS syncs all your workshop operations in one centralized system. This allows your customers to view their work in progress and request revisions if required, helping you bring transparency to your workflow. With EMDECS's versatile features and unified workflow, your workshop operations are more reliable and easy to track for you and your customers alike. Visit brightorder.co.uk to book a free demo with us today.